Suppose you wanted to do a clipping mask with a photo that you found, like this one here, this squirrel here. So I'm going to right click on the photo and click on copy image. Then I'm going to go to Photoshop and I am going to paste it. I'm going to go Command N. And then just hit whatever you have copied is going to create the right size for it based on what you copied. So create and paste. So there's my squirrel. Command plus a couple times. I need to get rid of this white. So pretty easy to get all that out. So what you do is you go to your magic wand tool and make sure that that layer isn't locked. And I don't need the background white. So I'm going to turn off the background layer, which is a white. And I'm going to click on the white here. And it quickly selects all the white stuff. And then I can hit delete. Boom. Now it's transparent. Right? So then I can take this image. Right click on it. And I'm going to choose duplicate layer. And I'm going to take that layer and not duplicate it in this document. I'm going to duplicate it in the practice number 7 that I have open. So I've just duplicated that layer, hit OK. Now if I go back to this one here, where did that layer go? I guess it's this one here. So there it is. It's way up there. It's kind of small, but that's okay because my original image was huge comparatively. So I'm going to take that and go Command T and resize it to be bigger. It's going to suck because it was really small. So be aware of that. If your original image, this original image was really large and then you bring in something small, it's going to be pixelated because that's what happens when you take in small photos and blow them up like this. But for our purposes, it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to take that, accept it, and now I'm going to take my background layer, Command J, bring that up here next to this guy. Bring it above here. So I want to see how these little arrows show it's just clipping mask. So I want to undo that. So I'm going to hold on my Option key while I go between the layers and do that kind of thing. So now it's acting like this. So this guy, clipping mask to that. So Option, clip. So there it is. There's my custom shape. So then I can actually take that guy, Command T, and resize it if I need to. And of course move it around wherever I need it to be. So then let's trim that down like we did all the other ones. So take these away, image trim, and export that out. CP5 with a custom shape from whatever you found. Don't forget to go back, get everything back in, and then turn all these layers back on just so you have them all. Right? Okay, save your file. You can then close it. We'll save this document in your JPEGs as a PSD, and let's call these clipping masks. Clipping masks, like that. And you can close it. You can close this and not save it unless you really want to.